Ainsley, can you tell me what the Grinch does?
Eat a carrot.
He ate a carrot? Out of the trash?
Mm-hmm.
Was it a fresh carrot?
No.
What was it?
A dirty carrot.
A dirty carrot? Oh no. And then what did the Grinch do?
And eat a dirty, and ate a lucky apple.
A yucky apple?
Hmm?
Then what did his face look like?
Trash.
Trash. And what did he do to the Christmas tree?
Knock it down.
Oh. And what did he do to the puppy dog?
Hang on his neck.
He did what to his neck?
Hang it on.
Oh, he hung the dog by his neck. He picked him up by his neck, on the scruff of his neck.
No. Hanging at his foot.
He hung him by his foot? Oh, no.
My kid is hard as Bobo.
They hurt his bobo?
No.
Oh, when you hold the kitties, you hold under the bobo?
Yes.
Yes, you hold your kitties very careful. Does the Grinch hold the dog careful?
Nope.
No.
Not being nice.
He's not nice. What did he do to that girl?
What about a pencil?
She wrapped her right up like a present.
Yeah.
Was that sweet?
Nope.
Is the Grinch a grouchy Grinch?
Yeah.
Do you like to watch the Grinch?
Yeah.
What's your...
Can
Can you get the crayon away from your face? What
Crayon?
color is that crayon?
Gray.
What color is the Grinch?
Gray.
Do you know how to color a picture of the Grinch?
Yeah.
What? What color is he? And there's Addison having supper. Can you say hi?